Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to our video. Today I will show you about our training centers and some of the training programs. This is our main office, and as you can see, our dedicated staff are working tirelessly to achieve our objectives. And let me help you to know more about SJ&DI. We start our operation since 2011 to provide employable workforces to cope with the contemporary demand in the market. So we provide skill training program on different job role where our trainees can achieve their goal in skilling to start their journey to success. We have been working with some of the government ministries and department, like Ministry of Skill Development and UDNPA Department Government of Mizoram since our inception in 2011. So we are the implementing skill training provider for DAY NULM and PMKVY, apart from this Small Industries Development Bank of India, also give us support in skilling and helping startup candidates. Our training program not only provides skill training, but also placement and entrepreneurship development. As you can see here, this is training on self-employed tailoring training. During a tailor apprenticeship, individuals can learn about various fabrics, stitching techniques, measuring and cutting patterns, garment alterations to fit different body types, and clothing repair. Well, before we dig deep into our program, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Come and just do it now, guys. Tailors with a high level of skill can earn a good living by providing custom-made garments and repairing clothes for their clients. With the increasing demand for tailors, the earning potential for this profession is only going to grow. Rising demand for various types of formal wear, such as suits and dresses, among consumers worldwide due to an increase in the number of events and gatherings, along with the growing penetration among people to look towards unique and personalized clothing and enhanced tailoring and alteration services which offer goo business. The average salary for tailoring is rupees 81,000 per month in the Aizawl local market, with the average additional cash compensation for a tailoring in is rupees 66,000, with a range from rupees 12,000 to rupees 1,20,000 probably. Here in SJ&DI Skill Training Center, we provide tailoring training with free of cost, as the government sponsored all the training expenses, so you don't have to worry about the training cost and expenses.
All you have to do is just come in time, have a will to become a good tailor, and follow the guidance of your trainer. You will surely become a great tailor.
These are some of our products. We also produce ready-made garment for children and young adolescents. Our designer designed the best suit for Sunday school Inkompui Core and other Sunday dresses, as well as casual and others dresses.
Now we will have a look on another job role called General Duty Assistant Training Program. The course involves 3 months of classroom training followed by 1 month on-job training. A GDA works in close collaboration with doctors, nurses, and other healthcare providers. The nursing assistant course lays special emphasis on inculcating empathetic and ethical behavior beyond patient care. This program is aimed at training candidates for the job of a general duty assistant in the healthcare sector industry and aims at building the following key competencies amongst the learner. Maintain proper body mechanics while handling the patient. Ensure patient safety while carrying out procedures. Prepare patient unit. Assist the healthcare team for basic patient care like dressing and grooming. Assist in maintaining nutrition and hydration and elimination needs, transfer patient samples and documents within the hospital, assist hospital staff in carrying out end-of-life care, apply infection control measures and dispose biomedical waste. Promote safety and apply usage of personal protective equipment. So here we have to kind of training one if sponsored training where students don't have to pay any training fees as it was sponsored by Government of India, and the other is paid course where students have to pay their training fees. Students who successfully passed out the training are being placed in different healthcare centers like hospital and clinic, and some of them got a job in Singapore, Japan and other foreign countries. Next, we have training on baking technician. This training aims to deliver accredited training service in compliance of nation skill qualification framework. A baking technician is responsible for baking of products, maintaining their consistency and quality, while meeting defined SOPs and leveraging his or her skills to operate ovens in synchronization with Proofbox and rest of the plant and unit. We are very successful with this training as it helps our pass-out students to make earning very easily and handy to kickstart in small-scale and cottage industries. Baking and confectionery industry offers a variety of career opportunities, including working in bakeries, patisseries, hotels, and restaurants, and even starting one's own bakery business. The scope of the bakery and confectionery course in India has expanded due to the change in culture in cafes and restaurants. Our training centers in different cities in Mizoram like Aizawl, Champhai, Lawngtlai are becoming busy in providing good qualities of training, and we are still hope to reach out to more beneficiaries with the supports of the government of Mizoram.
Cooking and baking professionals always have to be on the lookout for cross-contamination, which can be dangerous to customers. Carelessly using the same tools or cutting boards for different tasks without cleaning them might lead to foodborne illnesses or unexpected allergic reactions. That's how we take care of our training program. We always give priority to cleanliness and safe working environment to produce germs-free products. Baking technician training is conducted in Aizawl, Champhai and Lawngtlai Training Center with dedicated experienced and skilled trainer, who are the best amongst the best, and they are also certified trainer.
cùng kia kia hí nghe đang mà luộc này nghe cái sần hạt tay làm thế gọi là
cái sập ở trong cái sập là sập
mai xuân thì ăn rất tốt rồi nó mấy cái rất hay tốt rồi rất hay rồi bây giờ nó chỉ rất hay nè hay tốt mà nó hay rất hay cho bà con mà nhưng nó rất là hay làm thế ngon đó
mình là cái sập bánh Champhai, bánh sập đầu từ bánh Champhai, ăn còn nữa thôi.
lôi mềm.
Sao rồi? Video là chưa sao rồi?
Còn kek là hay lồng gà kek tuy bể chỉ mà xia tốt ta để cho.
Sana ka siam te kha kan su ka pa te na nu siam le ang an dia mo.
Sao khi tôi chân là phải birthday sắp
lok mấy cái muzel mấy ni mo fa te ba de kek an ur vek the to na kha sang kui ngat the chum ha za na kha ba de kek aron ur mya mấy ni fa patan mo ur kek sa mi zir lo se chuanin a order lo da
Next, we have Senior Beauty Therapist Training Program, which Compliance National Skill Qualifications Framework Level 4. The job of a senior beauty therapist in the beauty and wellness sector industry and aims at building competencies amongst the learner. This program is aimed at training candidates for the job of a senior beauty therapist in the beauty and wellness sector industry and aims at building competencies amongst the learner. After completing this program, participants will be able to prepare and maintain work area, preparing the equipment, products and work area ahead of service delivery to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of conducting treatments considering the standards of operation of the salon. Provides performance criteria, knowledge and understanding, skills and abilities required to provide facial skincare and face clean-up treatment. And to carry out waxing and threading services, to carry out simple makeup services, clean and remove dead skin and callus from hands and feet and improve the appearance of nails. To be able to perform basic hairstyling, to be able to do hand and feet henna, maintain a safe and hygienic environment at the work area. Ability for individuals to meet the personal grooming and behavior requirements, execute tasks as per the organization standards and communicate or record information in order to create a positive impression at the workplace.
sống cái tôi tổ chức cái tổ
Cuatro.
Well, that's all we can share you about the training program and the activities of Social Justice and Development India. I hope you enjoy and find it really informative. We give our sincere thank to all those people who supports us. Especially we give the best credit to UD and PA Department Government of Mizoram and Labor, Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Department Government of Mizoram. We also congratulate to all those students and learners who have passed out and successfully start their own enterprise and took a job in India and foreign countries. We wish them all a very good luck and prosperities. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section with your valuable feedback. Until then, take a good care and be blessed, and please do join us in our next episode. So long and happy be.